This drink is going to be a tiki classic. There's a bar named after this one. It's called the Jungle Bird. Obviously, being in the House of Agricole, we're going to twist this slightly, okay? For our main molasses rum, we are going to take 40 milliliters of a Élevé sur Bois Agricole rum. That means that it's aged 18 to 24 months, and usually like a French oak cask or just an American oak cask. We're gonna add 40 milliliters to our Boston shaker here, and then we're gonna go in with Campari. Now, if you've ever made a Negroni before, you know this one very well, but it's not going to come out as you think. Because in tiki and Campari are no strangers, but they will elevate the drink. It's usually used as a modifier and as a main component. We're gonna add 15 milliliters of that. Then we add the same amount of pineapple juice as your rum, okay? So that means that in my case, that is 40 milliliters of pineapple juice. This is just gonna add some sweetness and some complexity, as well as elevate bitter and sour notes. In order to further elevate that, we're gonna add 15 milliliters of lime juice. And then also the same amount, 15 milliliters of sugar. Now, I developed a slight little twist to this because I found a lot of people find the Campari still a little bit overwhelming. In order to tone this down and to balance out all the flavors, I'm gonna add 2 modifiers. One of them is a high-proof Jamaican rum. In my case, I'm going to use Super Funk from Dropworks. But you're very free to use Bray & Nephew or anything you have at hand that has a little bit of a funk to it. I'm gonna be adding 5 milliliters of that. And then the second thing that I'm going to add in order to balance out all the flavors is 2 drops of a saline solution. Now at home, be careful with this, but add a couple of grains of salt, and that should do the trick. You can always adjust this cocktail afterwards, but if you put the salt in there once, it obviously doesn't come out anymore. And that is our cocktail. It's time to shake. This one we strain into a glass. Look at that beautiful color. Add our ice, a little cap of crushed, just to make it look nice. And then you can just garnish it with some mint and a lime. We have some dried fruit and banana leaf at hand here. And this is my twisted Jungle Bird. So this is a classic tiki cocktail, so it's obviously going to be complex in nature. Yeah, the sweetness definitely comes through, and you can taste flavors after each other. I always describe this as a good stew when you can taste the meat, and then you can taste the, you can taste the rum, and then you can taste the Agricole rum, and then you can taste a bit of the Campari and the pineapple. It's a whole depth of flavor, which in tiki drinks that have that many ingredients, this is what you want to achieve. A real balance. It's a very easygoing cocktail. And if you do this ever at home, then watch out. This is boozy. It's very boozy.